Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how Multi-Vendor X calculates marketplace commission and store earning. But after the commission is calculated, does it directly go to the store owner? Not exactly. Before it goes to the store owner, the payment passes through Multi-Vendor X wallet system. So let's together see how this works. But first, we need to know what is wallet system. The wallet system is a virtual balance manager that temporarily holds store owners' earning before payouts are released. Why it is important? Instead of paying store owner immediately after every order, the wallet adds a protection layer that helps marketplaces handle refunds, disputes, and chargebacks before releasing funds. This gives admins better financial control and makes payout more secure. From the admin side, go to Multi-Vendor X, Transaction History, Wallet Transaction. Here admin can see the wallet. The wallet process starts when a customer places an order. WooCommerce processes the order, Multi-Vendor X calculates the commission, and store owner earnings are generated. However, the earnings are not yet withdrawable and must first reach a payout eligible order status. Marketplace admins can choose which order statuses should trigger wallet processing. Navigate to Multi-Vendor X, Settings, Finance, Payout. Here you can see eligible order statuses for store earning payout. We have 4 statuses: completed, delivered, processing, and shipped. For example, if I select completed as the eligible status, then when the order is in processing, the commission status remains unpaid because it does not match the selected status. But once the order changes to completed, the commission status automatically changes to paid, and the store owner's earning enter the wallet workflow. Once the order reaches the eligible payout status, the store owner earnings move to the pending balance. Admin can see that from Multi-Vendor X, Transaction History. Simply select the store for which you want to view the wallet details, and here you can see the pending balance. At this stage, the earnings are visible but cannot be withdrawn yet. The pending balance acts as a temporary holding area that helps protect the marketplace from refunds, cancellation, chargebacks, and payout disputes before funds are released. Next comes the clearance period. For example, let clearance period be 7 days. This means the earnings will remain in the pending balance for 7 days after the order reaches the eligible payout status. Once the 7-day period ends, the earnings are cleared and become available for payout. Once the clearance period is completed, the earnings automatically move from the pending balance to the available balance. At this stage, the funds are cleared and become eligible for payout processing. Next, we have the minimum payout threshold. This setting defines the minimum wallet balance a store owner must reach before becoming eligible for a payout. For example, if the threshold is set to $100, a store owner with a balance below $100 won't be able to request a withdrawal. This helps reduce frequent small payout requests, simplifies payout management, and provides an additional layer of protection against refunds, disputes, and other transaction-related issues. Admin can also configure a wallet reserve amount. For example, if a store owner has $200 available and the reserve amount is set to $50, only $150 will be withdrawable. The remaining amount stays locked in the wallet as a safety reserve. This helps marketplace handle refunds, chargebacks, disputes, and other transaction-related risks while maintaining better financial stability. Once the reserve rules are satisfied, the remaining balance becomes eligible for payout. At this point, the wallet's job is complete. The earnings have successfully moved from order placement to an available balance ready for withdrawal. But how do store owners actually request those funds? How are withdrawals approved? And how do automatic payout work? We will cover all this in the next video, where we will see the complete workflow of payout and withdrawal method in Multi-Vendor X. If this video helped you, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.